Drone shot. Hey. So hi guys, I'm walking on a beach sand. I know you can hear the beach waves. So here's the sample view of it. Napaganda and low tide lang talaga. So I'm here in Casapsapan Beach, Casiguran, Aurora. So we drove away from Manila to Aurora para makita yung ganong view. Na-join lang ako with these friends of Ate Aina at Ate Yen. And thank you so much for inviting me to be a part of your journey actually. So, after namin sa Capsapan Beach, nag-stay muna kami sa Gopo para magpahinga and then pabalik na naman kami sa road trip. So, ito yung pupuntahan namin. Dito kami mag-stay for one night to enjoy this scenic view. Ano ba makikita natin sa pupuntahan namin right now?
Kaya reservation nyo.
And then, here's the inside view of our titirahan. So, we're here in Paradiso de Casiguran. So, andito kami para magstay here in Casiguran. So, ngayon, sarili muna ako gumawa ng setup ng tent. So, you know, probably sure I'm so very independent woman. Charot! So, ayan, na-setup ko yung tent na mag-isa. Pero mamayang gabi alam kong maulan kaya binaha kami niyan nung madaling araw kaya natulog na lang kami sa van. And then nandito si Kuya Jovi ng aming chef, dakilang chef talaga namin yan. Yan yung aming kasama, preparing our foods, everything. Yan yung luto ni Kuya Jovin, sobrang sarap talaga yan. So ngayon pupunta naman kami sa Tibu Tidal Pool. So hapon na kami nakapunta dito with my friends, with Ate Aina, Ate Yen, si Ate Klang, and his boyfriend actually. So, ayan. First time namin maliligo. Alam namin yung paggabi na and sobrang lamig na at mahangin-hangin na. Good luck sa amin. And yan na pala si Ate Chin. Naming sexy body ate. Char. So, sa Tibu Tidal Pool, ayan, muntikan na kaming higupin doon kasi medyo malakas na yung current kaya pinaahon na kami ni Kuyang lifeguard doon. Kaya umahon na kami and ito yung naging reaction ni Atay na.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hi, Chudi! Si Chuman. Oh my gosh, ang saya na. Meron kaming na ipo-ipo, helicopter. Yeah.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
I was the age of 8 when I played the tape and I heard a voice coming through. It was singing loud and singing strong to the words I barely knew. I was hanging on to the edge of the song, waking up all my senses. I'm untied, I'm singing along for the first time. For the first time. For the first time. hearing songs since I came along on radio and TV. But this one song, when it came on, felt like it was just for me. Now I'm singing along for the first time. For the first time. Singing along for the first time. It was Springsteen in the street, Cash in the summer heat, Willie on the road, Cobain in the cold, Stevie in my room, learning every line of that tune. And when the chorus came, it was my chance to get up and start to dance away.
So these are my friends. We have to have a group pic or group pic with them. So ito yung sample vids namin. Kasi medyo malalim din sa tidal pool, kaya doon lang ako sa mababaw. Tampisaw lang, and then konting shots, ayan. And we're here in Bulawan Falls. So medyo malayo-layo to sa tidal pool. So pinunta na namin. So, dito may konting hike papunta dun sa falls. Medyo mahaba-haba, pero kung sanay ka mag-hike, you will enjoy the green forest and the view itself. So, hi guys, ito yung falls. Puntahan natin na malapitan yung falls. So, thank you for Ate Yen for my being cameraman for a while. So, ayan, pupunta kami sa falls. And tingnan natin dito kung gaano kaganda yung nature dito. Mag-enjoy kayo if pinunta nyo to sa Casiguran, Aurora. Yun yung falls. Di na kami naligo, nagtampisaw na lang kami dyan. Yan, may konting shot. Yan, marunong sila lumoy, kaya ako hindi ako marunong. So, ito, may mini picnic kami dito sa tabi ng falls. Kasi yan yung natira naming pagkain. So, binigyan ako ng lollipop and sopas yung kinakain namin. Wala akong kutsara, kaya ganyan ako kumakain with Ate Yen. Late na kami nakakit, kaya late na rin kami nakakain. Tapos na rin kumain yung iba naming friends. So, ayan. So, thank you for watching my vlog today here in Aurora. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.